Introducing the Neato BotVac Connected line of smart, powerful, and connected robot vacuums. Neato's laser smart mapping and navigation system with real-time object detection continuously scans your home and methodically cleans every room, cleaning around furniture and objects. Neato robots even navigate well in the dark and get under beds and furniture too, where dirt and dust hide. Unlike other robot vacuums that bounce around the room in a random style, Neato robot vacuums use smart path planning to clean in a back and forth pattern to deliver an intelligent, methodical clean. It's efficient too, finishing the job up to 4 times faster than other bots. Neato also automatically avoids stairs using drop sensors. When it comes to floors, Neato robots drive over your different floor surfaces with ease, automatically adjusting for optimal performance. And corners are no match for Neato, because unlike round bots, Neato's unique D shape allows it to clean deep into corners. When bigger messes happen, Neato knows what it takes. Batteries, larger jobs are no problem for your Neato robot. Neato BotVac cleans, automatically moving from room to room. Then, if Neato is running low on power, it just goes back to the charge base to recharge, then returns to where it left off to finish the job, until the entire level of your home is cleaned. But most importantly, you get the power and convenience in the palm of your hand by using the Neato app. Start, stop, and receive notifications wherever you are. It's easy. Just schedule cleanings every day or on a schedule that works for you, and view your cleaning stats to better manage your robot. Use the Neato app to clean from anywhere at any time. Smart, powerful, connected.
Does 3 times the pets mean 3 times more mess? Alexa, ask your robot to start cleaning.
Evet arkadaşlar, öncelikle videomu izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Şimdi çekiliş bilgilerimizi vereyim. 2020 yıl sonuna kadar 1000 aboneye ulaşırsak 3 arkadaşımıza Şazel Drip Filtre kahveden birer paket hediye edeceğim. Çekilişe katılmak için tek yapmanız gereken kanala abone olmak ve bu videonun altına yorum atmak. Diğer başka çekilişlere katılmak için diğer videolarımın da altına yorum atabilirsiniz. Desteğiniz için şimdiden teşekkürler. Başka videoda görüşmek üzere. Kendinize iyi bakın.